Alright guys, so we have this Golf MK5 Mark 5, and basically we're gonna just rub over our baby Johnson on the windows, and we're gonna let it dry. This is one of the harder what's called windows to shrink, you know, something you shouldn't start when you're starting to tint basically. So let's let it dry and apply the film on top, and let's try shrinking it. So we have the shape cut out there. I'm gonna leave it hanging a little bit for pull shrinking basically, and I don't want any water. So my H pattern, some people used to put, like, you know, full-on H pattern with a lot of water. I'm gonna just in the middle do a little bit, make it wet there, and just apply it, and then we're gonna apply the film. Let's see which way the liner is. I suppose I know which way. I'm gonna throw it on, and we need to cut around the, we might need to lift it slightly up, slightly here somewhere, and we get the, we cut around this. Alright, so I'm gonna cut around and I'm gonna show you how it's hanging basically, and then we're gonna start shrinking. Alright, so you can see the film is going nuts here. I mean, like, it's going from, like, it's very difficult curves. I mean, top and the bottom is like insanely curved, and it is one of the more difficult cars to tint basically. So yeah, anyway guys, we'll try and shrinking it. This is 2-ply, so we're putting ourselves a little bit more challenge, but I would consider using 1-ply for more tougher windows. So let's start shrinking. We're gonna go with low heat, so I suppose everybody can see, and we're gonna go ahead and start doing the bottom. So because it's a hard window, I'm gonna do from top to bottom like this, and I'm pulling slightly on the film here on the bottom, so I leave it a little bit hanging. So we're gonna see how, because we need to distribute the film. Maybe we should, I don't, when I put very hot air, then the video is very noisy. That's what I don't like. See how we can do. It's like very low heat. So look, maybe I stop talking, I'll just shrink it, and I'll show how I'm shrinking as we go along, because I need more heat basically on this one. So it was fairly easy, to be honest, to shrink the bottom of this. So we'll see how tough is gonna be the top. But this is our film. This is the Performance Plus model. If you go on sungaredfilms.com, and you will see Performance Plus. This is 2-ply. So this is not with advanced even technology that we build with for the extra shrinking. So it's a standard 2-ply, and I'm doing Mark 5 Golf without very much being difficult, to be honest. Like, so 1-ply will do this like it's a normal standard window. So as I say, we made our films to be like for tinters, because we do tint ourselves, so we know what is needed. So this is the film, guys, SunGuard. Let's try now the top. So we're getting to the limits of 2-ply, which is, well, if we can get both Mark 5 franked, whatever you call it, it's still great. So I wouldn't suggest to, like, if you're willing to get some of the films, I suggest to get 1-ply for difficult windows, or you want to go carbon and use that an extra little shrink that we have on the carbon film, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm above now dotted matrix, so it is a tough window to shrink. Still have as well this side as well, I am above dotted matrix, so I don't really care about all the creases and all these things around it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is the bottom was easy. The top would have been easy if I could have pulled on the film, which I couldn't. So it's like, that's a little bit why it's actually difficult. It's not really that difficult, to be honest. So yeah, so 2-ply is pushing its limits, but it's possible to do. As you can see, I just did it right now. So 2-ply, and if you can see through the light, dotted matrix is just around here. So yeah, we're gonna cut it up, cut all around, and we're gonna apply the film from inside. So we're gonna prepare, I'm gonna show you how to clean and prepare the window. This car is for construction, as I can see, so need to prepare it well, because it's gonna have a lot of dust. So we're gonna cut it all around and throw away this film, access film. So anyway, I'm gonna cut all around, and we're gonna get back to cleaning. All right, guys, so we cut all around, looks nice. Now let's try to we're gonna get this film off so we can see clearly when we're cleaning. As well, I'm gonna clean up from the top so I can see all the dirt, basically, because as you can see, this has no door panels. It's a construction car, so it needs an extra care with cleaning. All right, so this car is very dirty. So I'm using this, it's like Vindex in US, basically. It smells, it has a little bit of ammonia and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a first clean, you know, just all around, get all that extra dirt out, you know, break down some dirt. And with the paper towel, the window is fairly, you can see the defroster line's already damaged, and well, because this car is definitely for construction purpose, so I wouldn't be too worried about the defroster lines now anymore, because they're already done. But Anyway, we still do the same as we do for every other car. And spray down a little bit on the edges. It's too much dirt here. There's a bunch of dust everywhere. Look at this. This is some dirt. So still, regardless how hard it is, we want to install it and have no bubbles whatsoever, you know. So we're gonna still go ahead with same way as we always do. So you use plastic razor blade and you go over all the defroster lines. Don't need no scrub. This is the best thing you can actually do, is use the plastic razor blade and go over it a few times. If you want perfect like that, it sticks on those defroster lines, you go over them and it will. Definitely will not lift after doing this. Will definitely not lift. Alright, so spray down again. Clean it. We're gonna clean it actually a few times, but I'm not gonna record it even. So we'll go over. Boom. There you go. Nice and clean. This car hasn't seen this for years. So there we go. Boom. Okay. So what we need to do is as well, just before I'm gonna clean the second time, I need to show you is you have to clean with the towel all the edges. It's a lot of dirt here, especially when the car is used for construction. It's gonna be a lot of dirt. So yeah, looks nice and shiny now. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean a second time and then we're gonna apply the film, spray down the glass, and we apply the film. Alright guys, so we're gonna spray it down with some shampoo and like Johnson shampoo and water mix, and because you see how curved it is, it doesn't want to even stay up on the board. So we're gonna now I have my brother to help me here, so we're gonna remove the liner, spray it down, and basically it's gonna stick on the wall more or less. You can use our finger at the edge. Need to clean my fingers as well. Better. So yeah, so we're gonna spray it down and we're gonna apply it now. I'm gonna grab it. We might need some help. I'm bringing backwards because it might be windy and it might fly up to my face, the film. Spray it down, my brother. Let's go ahead. All right, enough. Move, 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 move. Move, move, move. Okay. So, don't worry. You can grab it on the edge a little bit. There you go. Have it in. So, now that's done. Basically, more or less. You might have got a little crease here from, or maybe not. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna try as much as possible to push it upwards to get the film in. Remember, this car window is curved. These panels are inwards, so it's like you have to expand it. Now we have to look over. There's no white gaps anywhere on the edges, down here, on this edge, all around. No white gaps. No white gaps. I don't see. No. Okay, good to go. So we're gonna spray it down. We're gonna start squeegeeing away from the middle, the sides. Our film has this like kind of factory look to it. I love it. So guys, just gonna squeegee out the water. Out, out, out. Actually having a hard time today to record because it's damn hot outside. I want already, I don't know, end of September, because then we have like just the summer weather. This is now insane weather. This is like I'm in the oven, and it's actually giving difficulty to tint, you know. So yeah, all right. So we're gonna push everything out, and we're gonna come back and show you how it looks. So here we have it, the Golf window. You have to put that certificate sticker on the thing, but that's it, guys. that's how you do the back window of Mark V Golf.